Nissan has unveiled the much-anticipated facelift for its popular compact SUV, the 2025 Qashqai. This mid-cycle refresh focuses on sharpening the Qashqai's design and upgrading its technology features, ensuring it remains competitive in the crowded small SUV market.
Before we delve further into our journey, we kindly invite you to subscribe to Autospector, your gateway to automotive excellence.
The most noticeable change is the Qashqai's bold new front end. The previous V-motion grille and distinctive headlight design have been replaced with a larger mesh grille inspired by traditional Japanese chain-mail armor. This imposing new element is flanked by ultra-slim daytime running lights, DRLs, that create a futuristic and aerodynamic aesthetic. The headlights themselves are cleverly concealed within the grille, adding a touch of intrigue. The rest of the Qashqai's design retains its familiar silhouette, but with some subtle enhancements. New chrome trim accents the lower doors, and fresh wool designs offer buyers more personalization options. The rear sees minor updates as well, with a redesigned bumper featuring a more aggressive diffuser and a new LED taillight graphic for a modern look. The 2025 Qashqai isn't just about aesthetics, it boasts a significant tech upgrade. Inside, the cabin layout remains largely unchanged, but the materials and color options receive a refresh. More importantly, the Qashqai integrates Google Assistant and Google Maps directly into its infotainment system, a first for Nissan in Europe. This allows for seamless navigation, access to apps, and hands-free voice control. Additionally, a new generation 360-degree camera system with 3D graphics and parking spot location memory enhances driver assistance and convenience. Under the hood, the 2025 Qashqai retains its focus on fuel efficiency. While specific details haven't been confirmed, expect a range of electrified powertrains. This could include the current lineup of 1.3-liter mild hybrid options and the e-Power full hybrid system that utilizes a gasoline engine solely to charge the battery, never directly powering the wheels. The 2025 Nissan Qashqai is expected to arrive in dealerships by the end of 2024, with Australian arrivals potentially happening even sooner. Specific pricing details will likely be revealed closer to the launch date. The 2025 Nissan Qashqai facelift injects new life into this popular SUV. With a bold new design, upgraded technology features, and a focus on efficiency, the Qashqai remains a compelling option for drivers seeking a stylish, comfortable, and practical compact SUV.